Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the mayor of Makassar, Ramdhan Pomanto. Everybody call me Juni. It's an honor for us, the government of Makassar, and all citizens, that Makassar is chosen to host the 4th Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo MNEK 2023 international event. Through the theme of the partnership to recover and to rise stronger, this event is expected to increase interoperability between navies in overcoming natural disaster and maintaining maritime security stability. I also welcome all the delegates from countries who will participate at the 4th Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo MNEK 2023. Enjoy the atmosphere of the city of Makassar. Its best sunset in the world on Losari Beach and the taste of the various flavors of our traditional and contemporary delicious food. We have our slogan, Makassar the city for eating delicious food, or Makassar Kota Makanena. We kindly hope the 4th Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo MNEK 2023 will build positive cooperation throughout the world's navies together to promote peace. Bless you all. Enjoy Makassar.